Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have a couple of treat bags project today using not too shabby dots for spring 6x6 paper pad. I will use two blue pattern papers. These treat bags are for my kids, that's why it's color blue. I will also be using Lori Whitlock treat bag topper die set. The topper die fits in one 6x6 pattern paper. I also die cut the part that goes on the handle with my scraps of cardstock. The oval shapes that punch out of the die cut we're gonna use those later on the back of the treat bags. So here I'm folding the treat bags and scoring them using my bone folder. This cute bunny images was left over from cards that I made last time. I saved them for my treat bags. I used my Zig Markers to color the bunnies and fussy cut them with my detailed scissor. I will be needing two plastic bags. This one that I have in my stash is the Dries Craft Archival Quality Bags, measures 4 3/4 inches by 6 3/4 inches. I got this bag of chocolates from Walmart. There are a lot of cute Easter chocolates in the store this time, but I thought these ones are adorable. So I add a few of this inside the plastic bags, and I have to count how much I put in the bags, because if my kids count them and one doesn't have the same count, then they will complain. So I always count them and give them the same chocolates. So I will just put those chocolates in the bag, and then I'm going to staple this using my Tim Holtz stapler. I'm gonna staple it on both sides. Then I'm going to do the same thing with this treat bag here. Let's go ahead and adhere this piece on the treat bag. So this piece will go on top of the treat bag. So I'll just line that up and press it to adhere it well, and then I will do the same thing on the other one. And then for the oval punch out, I'm going to adhere this piece on the larger one, and then this ones I'm going to adhere it on the back of the treat bags, and then I'll just write to and from, and then I can just write my kid's name on the paper. I'm going to stamp RB on the topper and also Easter Wishes Sentiment with Versafine Onyx black ink. You can do this part before you attach the treat bags to the topper, so it's not bumpy when you stamp on it. I didn't think about it when I made these treat bags. That's why I did this at the end. And then I'll just add my B and adhere it on top of that stamp image, and then I'll do the same thing with the other one. And for our bunnies, I'll just adhere them using foam tape. So I'll add some foam tape on the back of the bunnies and then adhere it on the left side of the treat bags. And my treat bags are complete. I love this adorable bunny image from Not Too Shabby shop. I hope you like today's project, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.